Hello again, and as you can see, I'm back with the Volvo. I know I praised the Volvo in the last video that it doesn't break down or take any my savings away, but what moves eventually wears out. As you all know, this one has done close to 600,000 kilometers, so it's quite a lot. And I have a slight issue since the first day I got it. And the problemo is the left wiper. When you're doing like city speeds, 50, 60, 70, it's okay. But when you're doing like 100 or over 100, the left wiper hits the A-pillar and it makes the stupid clunking noise, and it bothers me a lot. So that's why I decided to replace the wiper linkage today and see how it turns out. I think it should be easy job, but you never know. Luckily the windscreen is replaced like a few months ago, so the wipers will come off, and usually they get stuck really bad and you have to use the special tool, which I don't have. So I'm not worried, because as I told you, the wipers were off like a few months ago, so I think I should be fine. To get to the wiper linkage, I have to remove all of that, all the plastics, wiper arms, everything. And yes, those are broken, or at least the right one is broken and the left one is missing. I made the order, but I bet they don't arrive today, maybe next week, so I will just install them later, and it's easy, just push them on and that's it. But yeah, let's take it apart and let's see what we find. First, the easy part, and done. And by the way, there's a little tip. When you want to remove that battery cover and you don't have a screwdriver with you, just pull one of the headlight thingies and just use it as a screwdriver and just put it back here. Magic. Number 16. I'm not gonna mark the wipers on the windscreen because they are out of alignment anyway, so I just have to figure out the correct position later. This one we can throw away, don't need that. Comes the first one. I told you, easy. And the second one. Next, remove the plastic clips. Those corners, just pull them up and should be good. As you can see, after you remove the plastic covers, then you can see the wiper linkage, and it is from the factory, original, still here after 600,000. Not bad. And also about the new one, I decided to go with the cheap one. It's aftermarket one, I don't know, Akusan or something. It was close to 50 euros compared to the original one, which is 530 euros. And this one comes without the motor, so I have to take the motor and install it here. Hopefully this works, I don't know, because I haven't done this in a Volvo, so we'll see. But yeah, let's remove the old wiper linkage and see what happens after that, because nobody knows, even me. Here's 4 8mm bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's try to remove these. And I try to be very careful. How I'm gonna get to that? Not a chance. Okay. Let's try with the spanner. Stupid location, to be honest. And here's one connector. And there it is. Let's see if they come out without lubricating. First one came. What's the second one do? Nice. And the third one. Yeah. So I cleaned the rubber seal a little bit. I don't have anything else. I'm gonna just add some Plastilube here because it has some kind of grease inside. Put a little bit. I don't know, is it a good thing or a bad thing that I'm using Plastilube, but who cares? Let's put back the rubber cover like this. Just push it on and that should be good. Now, then the motor goes back here. That metal plate is back. Now, screw back the screws. This should go like this. It has to touch that edge here, or the ear, or how you call it. What do you think? Should we try it on and see if it works, or I just failed again? Let's try. I cleaned all the bolts and everything, so it should be okay. Now let's install it back. Oh yeah, and don't forget the connector. Beautiful and shiny. Hopefully it works as good as it looks. So let's test it. Well, at least it moves like it should. Okay, let's install everything back. And I have a little treat for the Volvo. It's the battery cover, which was broken the first day I got it, so I bought the new one, only original available. Here's the part number if you need it. Yep, okay, still better than before. I already broke one clip, so good job. Good fucking job. And also the wiper arms looking really nasty. So I'm gonna paint them. I did the maintenance off camera. It's pointless to show you. Everybody knows how to change oil and filters and everything like that. But now I'm gonna install back the wiper arms. Also I have new wipers, and let's see what the result will be. Stay tuned. So I painted them. Also the tips. Now they look much better. Before there was like a little bit of corrosion or rust. Now they look like new again. So let's install them back. Arms installed. New rubber also installed. Let's see, do they work like they should? As you saw, yes, we have a success. But yeah, this was the small job I did. So new oil, new filters, new wipers, painted wiper arms, and also new wiper linkage. And yeah, at least now it works. Before the new linkage, the wiper came like somewhere here. Now it's here. Maybe I should adjust it a little bit, but I don't think it matters too much. I think that this is it. I don't know what to say. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon. Goodbye and take care, and enjoy the winter, because I just checked outside a few minutes ago. There's hell of a snowstorm. So it's gonna be fun driving home. I have almost 50 kilometers to go. We'll see. But yeah, take care. Bye bye.